The preset and application lists can be configured to match your scanning needs. From the patient page, select the desired probe. In this case, I will select the 12L RS probe. Tap Config, select Application, and uncheck the Shock Longer eFast applications to match your preference. Tap Done. The applications that you unchecked are hidden and no longer available on the patient page when selecting the 12L RS probe. You can decide which presets will appear on the patient page. Select the desired probe. I will continue using the 12L RS probe. Tap Config, select presets. Tap the checkbox associated with the presets that you would like to hide. Tap Done. The customized list of presets is now available on the patient page. You can also decide what order you would like the presets to appear in. Select the probe. I will again use the 12L RS probe. Tap Config, select Presets. Select a preset by tapping it. In this case, I will select the nerve preset. You can tap the up or down arrows to move the presets to the desired location on the list. I will tap the up arrow to move the nerve preset to the top of the list. You can also move the presets under nerve to change the order of superficial, average, or deep if needed. Tap Done. The nerve preset is now displayed at the top of the list. To select a preset that will be defaulted each time a probe is selected, tap Settings, Config, then Global Settings. The active probe is displayed at the top of the screen. In this case, it is the 12L probe. Under Preset Selection at the bottom right-hand corner of the touchscreen, tap First Preset on the preset list. Recall that we moved the nerve preset to the top of the list for the 12L probe. Now, each time the 12L probe is selected, the nerve preset will automatically be activated. To remain in the same preset while switching to another probe, tap Settings, then Config, then Global Settings. Under Preset Selection at the bottom right-hand corner of the touchscreen, tap Keep Same Preset as Current Probe if exists. I will activate the curve probe and you will see that the nerve setting has automatically been activated even though the shock preset is at the top of the list.